Hello everyone, this is Julie HR and I hope you're having a wonderful Saturday today. I just wanted to touch base and go over one of my newer templates. And the reason why is because it is a mid-year check-in form and we are in July. And I know as HR professionals, sometimes we need to have a touch base mid-year, or perhaps maybe one of your managers does, because maybe something's not going as planned with a particular individual and you just want to touch base and get everybody on the right track. So I had to mention this particular form I created. It's a simple HR template entitled the Mid-Year Check-In Form. It can also go alongside, I'm going to open up a little more. I also have a mid-year check-in review form, which is, it's in Excel. You might want to also look at that. But I wanted to go over this because it's really simple. And we'll actually look at the template in real time too. So here we go. It has 4 simple sections. Makes for a very easy manager one-on-one talk with an employee. Maybe things aren't going as planned. Well, right now, mid-year, let's just kind of nip that in the bud and have a great conversation and get things on the right track with this employee. The sections are employee info, mid-year discussion. You want to talk about the quarters 3 and 4 and the priorities, see right here. And you want to have a second half action plan, and then at the bottom there's acknowledgement. Let's keep on going. It's easy to edit, easy to read and understand, prints beautifully, improve manager and employee communication. It's created by me. And I wanted to say thank you. I've just crossed the threshold of 26,000 buyers. So big thanks to you. And also congratulations on all you professionals who have made it half of the year. That is a big accomplishment, especially with a lot of things going on in our in the HR realm. It's a quality template and you can use it right away. Clean, simple, polished. You can edit it in Word and Google Docs, and it's also in Excel and Google Sheets. So you got 4 different formats: capture progress clearly, align on priorities, and turn feedback into action. And I want to thank you so much. Be sure if you do go and look at it, hit a like and you get 20% off. That's just the way it works. And I'm actually going to open it up right now, the Word one, and here it is. It's very simple. You just like Julie Smith, type it in. It's a mid-year discussion. It's all about communication. Things may not be going great with a manager and an employee, and you as an HR professional recognize this. So this is just a very simple tool that kind of allows for that communication, those communication lines to open. Then you want to talk about quarter 3 and quarter 4 priorities. And here's some manager comments and expectations. And then the employee is also allowed to follow up. There's nothing disciplinary about this at all. It is very positive. Be sure to, make it positive. If there are some issues, always, I've always learned to, if there's something that you're not liking about an employee or maybe what they're doing or their productivity, kind of sandwich in between a praise and then, maybe what they need to work on, and then follow that up with a little bit more, oh, but you're doing great in this. And that's just me. I know I'm talking kind of quick. I'm about to head back out for a great run. So I just wanted to share this with you, and hopefully you guys will check it out on my Etsy site. Thank you for all your support as always. And feel free to check out my Etsy site. Be sure to like the video and be sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel. I've almost got 200 videos up on HR templates to make you, your small business, your medium-sized business, you as a manager, the best that they can be. So have a wonderful day and talk soon.